How about the big truck hauling the small construction trucks, Cruz?
Watch out, but it's gonna come.
Here we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go!
Okay, then get you another one.
Say hello.
Hi. How y'all doing?
So what are we going to do? Look at all of this here.
What
You
is
got,
this? What is all this stuff? Is it for construction or what?
yeah, construction trucks collections. What do we have here, Cruz? Crane. And this. You got two bulldozers, small bulldozers. What's this right here? And a dump truck. You got two road rollers. Yeah, you got two big dump trucks too.
This right here is a front loader.
Ooh. Oh, what's this? That right there. And that
This is the backhoe.
backhoe. And
What
what's
is
this? Big one.
It's a cement truck.
It's a nice cement truck. Okay, what you
Or
going to
put
do?
stuff in the mixing cement at. So let's
Okay.
pour the stuff in and mix it.
Oh, what's this?
Woo! That's a lot of acorns.
Yeah. Stir it up some. Stir it up some, buddy. To get them back in the bag. Yeah.
You're mixing it first. Here you go. There you go. Look at that, a lot of acorns. Forklift. There we go. Whack.
Oh, it hit
Wreck.
It fell off the thing. Let's retry that. Plant pallets on it.
Like that. Don't go like that. No.
Now how do the pallets go on it then? That's the going on. What's the going at? No, you don't do it like that. Yeah, you
Raise
put
it
on
up.
top of it.
What?
Turn two, just leave it alone.
Okay.
Picky one, Cruz.
Crane.
Okay.
Woo!
Wow, that went far. Thing out of the way, buddy.
There you go. Woo!
Ready?
Set.
Meow.
Oh my God.
Now I'll get it.
Jacob, you always have a wreck.
Yeah.
Scoops.
Uh-huh. Yes.
Yep. How about the front? Scoops too? Okay.
What? It's too dry.
It's too dry. It's hard.
Worm.
Worm. Where?
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 Right there. That bubble thing.
That ain't no worm.
What is that?
That's not a worm.
It's a root.
Okay.
Hey, it's actually an onion.
Oh.
Wild onion.
Yep. Dig it.
Dig the dirt.
What's that?
Walk with it then. And see what it is.
Excavator.
Does excavator have one deep?
What type of tire is that called?
The track tire. That's what tire.
Okay, go. How is that excavator goes? Just like that, it digs.
Uh-huh. Yeah, the track.
Yeah.
Let's get the next one ready, buddy.
Yep.
Make track.
Yep. Here's the dump truck. Dump truck is ready.
No, that's not a dump truck.
What's I think it's a dump truck.
What is it called? Okay,
A big truck hauling some.
I'll stop. Get you one.
Do the dump truck. The Tonka dump truck. Woo!
Hey, Rich!
The Tonka dump truck flying.
This.
Yeah.
Ready for the next one?
What's that? Oops. Don't What's that, Cruz? What is that? Can you tell me what is that?
I'll show you what to do.
What it do?
Hey, look back.
What is that? Digs.
Yeah, dig.
It's too hard. Woo!
I'll try not to let you do that, Cruz. I
Should do
let
it
go down
slow.
myself.
Yeah.
The final truck has come to help with construction. Let's do it straight first. Straight. One. That loaded up. That other one went down.
Yeah.
Loaded straight up.
Yeah. Load the dump truck, Cruz. You think it will fit there?
There's stuff in the way. Move the other cars. Well, the big truck's running away without his car. Wait for me! Wait for me! Wait for me! I can't go any further.
You drive this truck, okay? Woo. You drive this truck. This big truck.
Here you go, Cruz. Hook that, what's Cruz? The roller.
The road.
Yeah.
God, you're so smooth.
Smooth. Smooth the what?
Smooth the dirt.
Smooth the dirt.
Not smooth.
Okay.
See?
Yep.
Smooth.
There you go. Oops.
I got you.
You get cheat.
Yeah, you drive this big truck. I'll drive this.
Dropping car.
Uh,
It ain't dropping. It must let go.
where are you going, Cruz?
Yeah.
What? Where are you going? Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep.
We forgot to drop the other one.
Load it. Work. Work.
Yeah, you drive a dump truck.
Hi, Jack. Her car. Gotta get it. Gotta get it. He stole his car back.
That's a nice big truck.
What color is it?
Red.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
How sure?
Very sure.
Well, what color is this?
Yellow.
Okay. Okay.
Here we go.
Oh, it fell off. Gotta be close so I can load them, buddy.
Yep.
Okay, it's full. Take it on off.
Go.
That's the weight limit it can carry.
Yep. It's ready to go.
And the weight limit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rocks.
Okay, ready to go.
3 acorns, make that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 acorns.
Okay, go. Dump it.
I have to go to the loader. And we have to go to the site.
Bye.
Bye.
Please
Bye.
subscribe and leave our video a like.
Bye.
Bye.